Hey guys, today we have a Canon Pixma MX870 printer. I'm going to show you how to replace a printhead on it. So have your printer on, and then you're just going to open the front of the printer as if you're replacing the ink cartridges. So just take it here and lift it up and let it stand on this support bar. Let the ink cartridges slide over to here, to the middle. Now remove all ink cartridges. And at this point, you're going to need to lift this latch right here, just like so, and lift it up where it holds. So just like that, and let it sit. It should be able to just hold up like this, and then you're just going to grab the print head and remove it. This print head needs some cleaning, and we're going to put it back. Even though it seems to be printing okay, it just has missing lines. So that's how you remove the print head. If you have a B200 error, it's probably not going to slide over, so what you'll need to do is just turn the printer off, and if this carrier will be on the right side over here, if there is a B200 error, you should be able to manually just slide it over. It's in locked position right now because there's nothing wrong with the printer right now or the print head. It's not giving us any errors, but this is just kind of a tip for whenever you have a B200 error. That means that print head is bad, or just we have another video on that topic that may help. Definitely want to make sure you close this, because while you're if you're not putting that new print head in right away, if you're cleaning this one, for example, you just want to close this here and close the printer and let it rest. So when the print head is not installed or not detected, you may have put it in, but it may have some protective plastic here on the new print head. It's going to give you the error U051. So check that out. In our case, we do not have a print head in the printer, so it's the correct message that we get on the printer. All we need to do is just lift the printer, the top portion again, and try to install the print head. So we're going to go ahead and open that and just put the print head back in there, just like so. Do not force it in there, it should just sit comfortably there. And close that latch. Check to make sure the printer accepts the print head before putting the ink cartridges in. You should get a message saying that the ink cartridges are missing. Like so. And so we're going to go ahead and just install the ink cartridges, and we should be good to go. So we're going to go ahead and put them all in. Some are low, that's why they're flashing. And now we're all ready to go. So at this point, if I was replacing a cartridge or a print head or cleaning it, I'd like to know how it prints. So I'll just go to setup, go to maintenance, and then I want to print a nozzle check pattern, which is the first one. I'm going to hit yes. After about a minute or two, making noises inside the printer. It's normal after you put the new print head in or try to replace it. Press me this page. This is the nozzle test pattern. My cyan ink is actually low. It just gave me that message. So this is the report of the nozzle check pattern, and that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching. Please like our video, share, comment, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Thanks.